Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. In today's class, we are going to learn about flowering plants name. Number 1. Roses. Number 2. Sunflower. Number 3. Tulips. Number 4. Orchids. Number 5. Lilies. Number 6. Daffodils. Number 7. Irises. Number 8. Pansies. Number 9. Marigolds. Number 10. Hydrangeas. Number 11. Lavender. Number 12. Hibiscus. Number 13. Morning glories. Number 14. Chrysanthemums. Number 15. Snapdragon. Number 16. Lilacs. Number 17. Larkspurs. Number 18. Gladiolus. Number 19. Fuchsias. Number 20. Sweet peas. Number 21. Bleeding hearts. Number 22. Asters. Number 23. Camellias. Number 24. Queen Anne's lace. Number 25. Lotus. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.